The biggest cow in Nabiganj Thana has been sold out. The youth entrepreneur MD Amjad breaks down in tears. He is taking care of this cow for a couple months, although he couldn't stop his crying for this cow. It is the biggest cow in Nabiganj Thana at Kailashganj Bazar. This cow is well nurtured by youth entrepreneur MD Amjad. He has been taking care of his cow. He is really a successful entrepreneur. We can say him in easy language that he is successful farmer. I can't catch the moment that it was really painful for Amjad during selling this cow. He was crying.